Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled. If you try to log into Snapchat too many times unsuccessfully, you will get this error. Your account is temporarily disabled. If you want to fix that, the easiest way is just to wait an hour and try again and probably everything will be fine. If you can't still log into your account because, for example, you forget your password, you simply tap on forget your password, select a method for reset your password, for example via email, and then you see something like that. From here, just tap on your email and click submit, then follow the instruction on your email. If this didn't help and you still get this message, then what you need to do is type in Google Snapchat down, and click enter. Here, click the first result down detector. Here, if you don't see a spike in Snapchat outages report in the last 24 hours, that means it's not the problem with Snapchat servers, and then what you need to do is to open your app store, type in the search bar Snapchat, and here if you see instead of open upgrade, tap on it and wait to be upgraded. Then restart your phone and try again to log into Snapchat. That's pretty much it.